back here with another video. I know it's been a long time, but I got some exciting news. I finally fully purchased this car. It's no longer on lease. I own it outright. My warranty is officially expired. My car is almost at 80,000 kilometers, so I'm not worried about getting any warranty work done. So basically, it's time for me to start really modifying the car. I expect it to be completely different within the next year, tops. I'm gonna be doing every modification I ever wanted to do while my warranty was still active, but now I'm actually gonna do it. So my first modification I'm gonna be doing is I'm going to be tuning the transmission. Now, most of you guys know, in order to tune the transmission on these LCIs, you have to send out your femto ECU, I don't know what it's called. You have to send out your ECU to get it unlocked. Luckily, I have one of the best tuners in all of Toronto, and he knows how to revise the actual transmission file that's in the car right now, and he's able to basically tune the transmission without having to unlock the car. The guy's a whiz kid, don't ask me how he does it, but basically what's gonna happen is I'm gonna get the Upshift braps like the pre-LCIs did. I'm going to have faster shifting car, faster throttle response, smoother shifting at low RPMs, and supposedly it's going to remove the torque limiter on the rear differential. I don't know for sure if that's what it does, but I'm gonna ask him when I get there. But I'm really excited because one of the things I always missed about my Audi was the DSG transmission, how fast it shifted, the braps on the Upshift, and so basically this transmission tune will allow me to have the best of both worlds. I'll have the smoothness and I guess capability of the ZF 8-speed, as well as the quick shifts and the Upshift braps of a DSG. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna stop my yapping. Let's just go and get it done because I can't wait personally, and then wait for the audio clips because I'm hoping that the Upshift braps are gonna sound even better than my DSG did. So let's get over there. All right, so I got my tuner here. He's about to flash my transmission. He's doing a custom tune. You can't do XHP on these cars, but my guy here, he knows exactly what he's doing.
Yep.
So tell me a little bit about what you're doing to the car.
Brother, so as a lot of you guys already know, these ECUs are locked and TCUs are locked as well, and some of these 2023s and up. But we have a way to get in, and we're doing a read of the file right now. So we're gonna get that stock TCU file out. We're gonna make our modifications. Bless Christian with a stage 2 transmission tune, nothing too aggressive, but lined up perfectly with the JB4 he already has, and as well add some natural upshift farts. And wait for the video afterwards. You guys are gonna love it.
Yeah, you see that shit? He knows exactly what he's doing. You make sure to hit him up, iCodeToronto on Instagram, or you can just message me and I'll give you his number directly. But make sure to hit this guy up if you're looking for the same thing I'm about to do. All right, guys, I'm gonna take you along for a little cabin drive. I've had the transmission tuned for about a week now. I couldn't do a video right after I got the transmission tuned because my tuner suggested I drive soft for the first 50 kilometers or so the car kind of learns its shift points, it learns my driving habits, that kind of stuff. I've done well over 50 kilometers now, and I feel like the car is so much more in tune with my driving habits. It's actually pretty crazy. But now the shifts are super crispy, they're smooth, and they're really fast when I want them to be. So I'm gonna take you for a little cabin drive. I have no exterior mic on right now. I'm just gonna let you guys hear what it sounds like from the cabin. Let me see if there's anybody coming here. We're good. Okay, so I'll do a little pull here. So I don't know if you guys can hear that. Like, that Upshift brap is fucking crazy, man. I had an A4 that was a DSG transmission, and it did not sound that loud. Or that good, to be honest. I feel like the Audi transmission braps are more raspy. This sounds like a fucking deep toned, like pa pa. That's my best interpretation of it. Don't make fun of me. But look, so I'm gonna actually put the car into sport right now, and I'll just drive it really smooth. Watch how fast the car shifts. Boom, done. The shift is so fast, so crispy. I'm gonna do it again right now. Like, you don't even feel them. You don't even feel the shifts. When you don't want to feel the shifts, if you're just like 20% throttle, the car just glides to the next gear. You don't even know what's happening. And then when you're really stomping on it, the car will actually like throw you back in the seat from each shift because of how hard it shifts. And honestly, so far it's fucking fantastic. I don't want to just keep yapping in this video. I'm gonna get an exterior mic going, and I'm gonna make you guys hear what it sounds like from the outside because I know it's loud as fuck on the outside. So let's get there now. I'm gonna start the video now, right after I do one more little pull from the inside so you guys can get an idea of what it sounds like. Little one. Fuck yeah, bud. Guys, if you want to get this done, I am telling you, I'm urging you to get it done because it kind of feels like a new car again. Every time I do these little modifications, it's just like a brand new car again, and it's so exciting. So, guys, I'll do my outro here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to me. I'm going to be doing so much shit to this car. You don't want to miss any videos for the future. Like the video, comment, do all that good shit. And I'll see you guys in the next fucking video, all right?
Maybe you should take